welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create a TikTok account. So the first step is go to TikTok, and here in TikTok you need to go to the option of profile, and here in profile you need to pick here in your name, and here I have an account, but if you want to create a new one, to pick here in that account. And here in that account, you need to go to the red option here in the down part of the page where it said login. And here on login, you need to choose how you want to create a TikTok account. You can pick here and use phone, email, or username, or you can create like with a phone number or an email. I recommend to you create that with an email. And you can pick here in singing up, and you can pick here and use phone or email. You pick here, and after that you need to put your email and create a password, and that's it. You create your account. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.